Recently, I purchased the Eversprout tool that is a cobweb duster. This pole is so great because it actually extends so high up. I can basically reach the very top of my house with it. And so I decided for window cleaning to purchase the Swivel Squeegee attachment. So today we're going to unbox this and try it out. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. This comes with a 1-year product warranty, and for when you place an order, they plant a tree, so that's awesome. Here's some information about it. This is a dual-purpose 2-in-1 swivel combo, which includes a window scrubber and a squeegee. So you can machine wash the scrubber pads with warm water, and for window drying after squeegeeing, a dry scrubber pad can be used to clear spots. So this is going to be great. So it comes with these 2 different pads, these Velcro on like this. This looks like some sort of scrubbing pad, and then this is like a microfiber cover. And then it comes with 2 window cleaning blades like that. Okay, we're gonna take off the cobweb duster attachment. You can purchase these as separate pieces, and then they also have a bundle where you can purchase a bunch of the accessories that go on the Eversprout pole. But this is gonna be today for the window cleaning, and you just basically unscrew it and then screw it on. To clean the windows today, we're going to use this Rain X automotive glass cleaner. It says it cleans to a streak-free shine, so we're going to test that out also. And it swivels, so it goes into 2 different positions, or 3 maybe, several.
Either way, it just rotates however you need it to be. Also, too, the squeegee you can kind of rotate or slide to a different side depending on your angle, what you're trying to clean, and stuff like that. It's very versatile. So today what we're going to do is spray the window with this Rain-X and then scrub it and then squeegee it and see how it does.
And that's how you extend it. Okay, we're going to spray it directly onto the pad there because we can't reach up all the way up onto the window. Wow, it's so nice to have the windows get cleaned. I was trying to figure out how exactly we were going to reach up so high without having to use a ladder. How's it working?
Looks like it's working well.
Great. Ooh, nice and clean. Okay, now you're going to do the squeegee part. Oh, looks good. Wow, and the Rain-X worked really well too on the window. Let's see how dirty. Wow, look at all that dirt you got off there. Nice. Well, we're really happy with this purchase. Definitely check out the links in the description below for where you can get your own Eversprout pole and attachments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.